Welcome back to Forestry Tech, the channel where machines meet the wild. Today, we're diving deep into the world of extreme logging technology, where raw power and precision engineering come together to conquer the forest. Let's see how modern logging is getting the job done fast, safe, and smarter than ever. First, up tree felling on a whole new level. These harvesters are engineered to take down trees as thick as a truck tire in a matter of seconds. No sweat, no hesitation, just grip, cut, and tip. Check out how the high torque saw head slices clean through the base while the operator stays safe inside a fully enclosed cab. This isn't your grandpa's chainsaw. This is next-gen logging at its finest. Once those giants are down, it's time for the muscle to move in. Specialized loaders and excavators come equipped with reinforced grapples and claws that make easy work of logs weighing several tons. Notice how precisely they stack and sort the timber, prepping it for mill or transport. It's all about speed and control with a focus on operator visibility and machine balance. Now, for the gearheads out there, check out these industrial saws in action. These cutting beasts are designed to chew through hardwood like it's butter. The noise, the precision, the raw force there, something mesmerizing about watching pure engineering tear through nature's toughest materials. Out felling trees. Removing stubborn stumps takes just as much muscle. With stump grinders and pullers, these machines clear land in record time-making way for replanting, road building, or fire breaks. It's all part of a well-coordinated forestry operation that's built for efficiency. With the trees down and cut, it's time to haul the goods. Logging trucks and forwarders carry huge payloads across some of the roughest terrain imaginable. Mud, snow, slopes, nothing stops these machines. It's all part of getting lumber from deep woods to sawmill fast, safe, and ready for processing. Modern logging sites are smarter than ever. Most machines now come with 360-degree cameras, automated shutoff systems, and clear danger zone indicators to reduce risk. Even with all that tech, crews stay alert. They communicate constantly, using radios and hand signals to avoid deadly blind spots. When you're working with 10-ton machines, situational awareness isn't optional, it's everything. Modern logging sites are smarter than ever. Most machines now come with 360-degree cameras, automated shutoff systems, and clear danger zone indicators to reduce risk. Even with all that tech, crews stay alert. They communicate constantly, using radios and hand signals to avoid deadly blind spots. When you're working with 10-ton machines, situational awareness isn't optional, it's everything. After the cut comes the comeback. Forestry teams often return to replant native species, improving biodiversity and soil stability. Check out this site just 1 year after logging you'd barely know machines were ever here. And the wildlife? They're back too. Because when done right, forestry works with nature, not against it. So how do they get these massive loads from point A to point B safely? Well, it all comes down to cutting-edge technology and specialized equipment. Let's take a look at some of the gear that makes these operations possible. First up, we have low loaders heavy-duty trailers designed specifically to carry oversized loads. These trailers have low beds, making it easier to load and unload massive objects. Low loaders also provide excellent stability, which is critical when transporting heavy loads over rough terrain. But that's not all. When the road gets particularly tough or the load is particularly large, teams rely on self-propelled modular transporters, SPMTs. These incredible machines have multiple axles and are designed to be extremely flexible, allowing them to navigate tight spaces while keeping the load secure and balanced. When dealing with icy or slippery roads, engineers may even turn to icebreakers, specialized equipment designed to clear roads or provide traction in freezing conditions. This ensures that the oversized load can continue its journey without risking damage or delays. Forestry isn't just about cutting trees, it's about doing it the right way. With smart safety systems and sustainable practices, today's logging crews are paving the way for a greener future. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at responsible forestry, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. This is Forestry Tech, where innovation meets nature. See you in the next one.